Hey, I'm Devin McGovern from Outline Cloth, and I'm going to show you how to achieve the peaked cut all by yourself. First, I'm going to prepare my hair by getting it wet, combing it down so that it lies straight and it's easy to work with. Then you want to make sure you prepare your gear, make sure you have it all laid out, that you have your blades oiled, and that you have the guards that you want to use. So now let's go ahead and start with the back. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to think about a rocking motion from bottom to top. So now section 2 is going to be the sides, and you're going to go in a rocking motion up towards where your cowlick is. So now you blend sections 3 and 4, you use a higher guard, same upward rocking motion. So now we're going to want to even this out, and we're going to use just the trimmer, no guard for the clipper over finger technique. Now for the ears and the back, we're just going to use the trimmer, no guard. And the last step is styling the hair with some Wahl hair pomade. And that's how you achieve the peaked cut.